Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Toyota 86 door handle. First, begin by carefully prying off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. This will reveal the first of 3 Phillips head screws. Next, locate and remove the 2 additional screws found under the door pull handle. Once all 3 screws are out, use a plastic pry tool to release the numerous clips holding the door panel in place around its edges. Finally, gently lift the entire door panel upwards to free it from the door frame. With the door panel now loose, you'll need to disconnect several components. First, carefully detach the 2 cables that connect to the door lock and the interior door handle. These usually have small clips that need to be pressed or rotated. Next, unplug all electrical connectors for your power windows and door locks. Take your time with these, as the plastic tabs can be fragile. Once everything is disconnected, you can safely set the door panel aside, ensuring it won't get scratched or damaged. Now let's focus on the exterior handle. Look at the edge of the door near the latch mechanism. You should find a small access hole. Inside, you'll see a Torx screw, typically a T30 size. Loosen this screw significantly, but there's no need to remove it entirely. Once loosened, the rear cap of the exterior handle can be slid outwards and removed. With the cap off, the main handle assembly can then be slid backward and carefully pulled away from the door. Reinstalling your door handle is essentially the reverse of the removal process. Start by sliding the main exterior handle back into its position, followed by the rear cap. Tighten the Torx screw to secure it. Then, reconnect all electrical plugs and the 2 door cables to the interior handle and lock. Carefully align the door panel with its clips and press firmly to secure it. Finally, replace the 3 Phillips head screws and the small trim piece. Always test all functions before completing the reassembly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.